Yeah, greetings family. How you guys doing? Greetings. Yeah, if you guys really like my videos, please like, subscribe, and press the notification button. The little bell thing at the bottom. It's one of my I created a new videos. You guys could receive them right away, okay? And I need these messages to go out there so a lot of the special ones could get these videos and get their DNA upgrade. Alright, so today this video is really going to be about the Earth energy points or ley line or chakra points. Okay, the Earth has lots and lots of energy points. All right, lots of ley lines. All right, for example, the airport is a portal. All right, they build the airport over these energy points on the planet. These energy points could heal us. You know what I'm saying? Like if you go there, you have sickness, could literally heal you if you eat healthy and you're conscious of it. You get a DNA upgrade. All right, they build highways on the Earth, ley lines, to black out the consciousness of the planet. All right. Train track is also built above the Earth energy grids. All right, they purposely build the train track above the Earth's energy grid, so the Earth doesn't connect with us because she's a living being. So when they build these ley lines, when they build these train track above the ley lines, it's literally slowing down the pressure points of the planet. For example, if somebody like touch your pressure point, like say if you have like a what they call these people that could like these karate people, or these people that could use those pin thing to put your energy point to shut down your chakra, and they could put you to sleep. I forgot what they call them. That's what they doing to the planet, right? They put the train track above the planet energy point to shut down the planet vibration from reaching us, so we stay in a low vibration and be ignorant and silly and stupid. Okay. Sports stadium. I spoke about this in one of my videos. Sports stadiums also built above energy point also. All right. You have a lot of churches also built above these energy points. Okay. When they build these churches above these energy points, and you go there trying to worship their God, Jehovah, God the Father, Satan, the same thing, all the energy go directly to them. All right. Some hospital also built above energy point. And another thing to see, hospitals have hundreds of spaceships fly over them to harness the human soul. Like when you guys pass away, they come over there and harness the soul. But because you're not vibrating on that level, you can't see them. As I'm trying to say, they have big mother ships over them all the time, can take the soul up. Okay, so some people think, oh, it's angel, but it's not really angel. It's just demonic ships that pop up above the hospital to take your soul away. All right. So the energy points on the planet is really a healing center that could heal us, let us become more intelligent, let us become more in tune with the planet, be in tune with the source God, be in tune with the multiverse. But the demonic ones, they know these things, so they build these constructs above them to block the energy off from us. You know, you could do a lot of research, man, and find out the ley lines on the planet and in different countries. All right, for example, here in Jamaica, they got Port Royal, Port Antonio, Port Maria, the airports on the island. These things are just major ley lines, chakra points and stuff like that. But chakra points are a little bit different, right? They got a major chakra points in Mount Shasta in California, all right? And Arizona, they got major chakra points there. And Tibet, China, they also got a chakra points there also, okay? These things help you raise your consciousness and your vibration and help to heal you if you have any illnesses. It could heal you if you're conscious of it. All right, you can harness the energy. Just like how in my video I talk about Jamaica as a mountaintop of Atlantis, the island of Jamaica have lots of crystal beneath it. It could heal people that is conscious of it. Okay, yeah. So it is the same thing with these energy point, the Earth chakra points and ley lines. Okay, but the leader, they know exactly what they're doing when they build the highways and they build a train track. The train track is like one of the worst things. And also the cell phone tower. They put the cell phone towers and the Gwen towers above these energy point so that it could slow down the energy from reaching us on the planet. For example, a lot of time when you guys pray, it's difficult for your prayers to go out to the source, to God, because they have these cell phone towers blocking them off. And I'm saying they send a frequency to block your message up. Your message is also like a frequency. Like when you pray, even if you pray in your mind, there's a frequency pushing out to the multiverse, and their cell phone towers is above the ley lines blocking those prayers from going out. Or even your meditation. You know what I'm saying? You got to be really powerful, and you got to be doing this all the time, like meditate or praying all the time to push your energy out. You know what I'm saying? You got to be fasting and clean and things like that to push that kind of energy out. That's what I'm saying? So these people, they know exactly what they're doing when they're messing with the planet, you know? Yeah. Hopefully y'all understand this video. You know, this is just a short video telling you about the ley lines and energy point of the planet. The energy point, they just here to heal us. It's just something natural in your body. Just like you have your heart, right? Your heart would be an energy point, and your throat chakra is an energy point, and your third eye is an energy point, and stuff like that. So imagine somebody put stuff over it, blocking it, and that's what's going on with a lot of us human here. All the chakra is blocked up with the food you eat and the vaccine injection. All that stuff block our chakra up, block the heart chakra, and the microchip they implant in us block the chakra. So what you got to do, you got to go within yourself and remove these blockages. But first, you got to also remove the blockages from the planet. Once you remove the blockages from the planet, like you go to the ley line and the earth major chakra, you go there and meditate and clear the energy up. You know what I'm saying? You can go to a lot of train track area and meditate so they can remove these train tracks, because it's unhealthy for the planet. And when the planet is damaged, human gonna be damaged also, because human is also the cells of the planet. Okay? Yeah, so it's not really necessarily about us human. It's always about the planet. All right? Because you always had different species come and live here. All right? What human gotta understand and understand is the planet, she's a living being. Just like you're a living being, she's alive. You gotta take care of her. You gotta stop throwing garbage in the ocean, plastic bottle in the ocean and things like that. You're really harming yourself when you harm the nature. Because the earth, she's going to cleanse herself with lots and lots of hurricanes, tsunami, earthquake, asteroid, you know what I'm saying, sinkhole, all these things. And she's using people like me, you know what I'm saying, to do things like this. When we meditate and we burst the water firmament in the spiritual realm, you know what I'm saying, we got to crack different levels of the firmament to harness those energy and bring it back here physically. And when those kind of energy comes here, it clean the negative thought patterns of the human on the planet, so the planet could evolve and you guys could evolve. You know what I'm saying? There would be no more death. There would be no more sickness and things like that. All right, so this is the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. Like I said, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification button. Thank you for watching. Light and love. Thank you so much. Appreciate it.